Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss an important family of sensors used in gas detection, environmental monitoring, and industrial safety systems, the MQ series gas sensors. These sensors are widely used in IoT projects, smart safety systems, and embedded applications to detect gases such as LPG, methane, alcohol vapors, carbon monoxide, and air pollutants. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what gas sensors are, the working principle of MQ series sensors, internal structure and sensing mechanism, different MQ sensor types, calibration and sensitivity, real-world applications. So let's begin. Introduction to gas sensors. Gas sensors are electronic devices designed to detect the presence and concentration of gases in the surrounding environment. They work by converting chemical interactions between gas molecules and sensing material into an electrical signal, such as a change in resistance or voltage. Gas sensors are extremely important in modern systems because they help in detecting toxic gas leaks, preventing explosions in industrial environments, monitoring air pollution, maintaining indoor air quality. Among many gas sensors available today, the MQ series sensors are very popular because they are low cost, highly sensitive, and easy to interface with microcontrollers such as Arduino, ESP32, and Raspberry Pi. Core working principle. MQ sensors operate using a chemiresistive sensing mechanism, which means the electrical resistance of the sensor changes when it interacts with gas molecules. The sensing material used in these sensors is tin dioxide, or SNO, which is an N-type semiconductor. When the sensor is placed in clean air, oxygen molecules attach to the surface of the sensing material. These oxygen molecules capture free electrons from the semiconductor surface, creating a depletion layer. Because of this process, the sensor exhibits high electrical resistance in clean air. However, when a target gas such as methane, LPG, or carbon monoxide is present, the gas reacts with the adsorbed oxygen molecules. This reaction releases the trapped electrons back into the semiconductor material. As a result, the electrical resistance of the sensor decreases. The amount of resistance change depends on the concentration of the gas present in the environment. Role of the heating element. Inside every MQ sensor, there is a small heating element, usually made from a high-resistance wire such as nichrome. This heating coil maintains the sensing material at an optimal operating temperature between approximately 200 degrees Celsius and 400 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is necessary because it provides the energy required for the chemical reactions between gas molecules and the sensing layer. The heater ensures that the sensor remains stable, responsive, and ready to detect gas changes quickly. The resistance change occurring in the sensing material is usually converted into a voltage signal using a voltage divider circuit, which can then be read by a microcontroller. It is also important to note that MQ sensors often require a preheating or burn-in period of several hours to achieve stable readings. Structure of an MQ sensor module. Most MQ sensors are available as ready-to-use modules. These modules typically contain several components. The first component is the gas sensing element, which contains the tin dioxide sensing layer and the internal heating coil. Next, the module usually contains a comparator IC, commonly the LM393, which converts the analog signal into a digital output signal. There is also a potentiometer, which allows users to adjust the sensitivity threshold of the sensor. Finally, the module provides two outputs. Analog output, AO, for measuring gas concentration precisely. Digital output, DO, for triggering alarms when gas levels exceed a threshold. This dual output feature makes MQ sensors very flexible for both monitoring and alert systems. Types of MQ sensors. The MQ series includes several sensors designed to detect different gases. For example, MQ2 detects LPG, methane, propane, and smoke, and is commonly used in gas leakage detection systems. MQ3 is mainly used for detecting alcohol vapors and is often used in breath analyzer systems. MQ4 detects methane gas and is used in natural gas monitoring systems. MQ5 detects LPG and natural gas in kitchen safety systems. MQ7 detects carbon monoxide, which is a very dangerous and toxic gas. MQ8 detects hydrogen gas, which is important in hydrogen fuel applications. MQ9 can detect both carbon monoxide and flammable gases. MQ135 is widely used for air quality monitoring, detecting gases such as ammonia, benzene, nitrogen oxides, and smoke. Each MQ sensor is optimized to detect certain gases with higher sensitivity. Calibration and sensitivity. For accurate gas detection, MQ sensors must be calibrated properly. Calibration is necessary because the relationship between sensor resistance and gas concentration is nonlinear. The sensor resistance in the presence of gas is usually denoted as rupees, while the resistance in clean air is called rho. By measuring the ratio rupees divided by rho, we can estimate the gas concentration in parts per million, or ppm. The onboard potentiometer allows adjustment of the digital threshold level. This means the sensor can trigger an alarm only when gas concentration exceeds a certain limit. Environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity can also affect readings, which is why calibration improves measurement accuracy. Gas leak detection systems. One of the most important applications of MQ sensors is gas leak detection. In homes, MQ sensors can detect LPG leaks in kitchens and automatically trigger alarms. In industries, they are used to monitor hazardous gases in factories, chemical plants, and mines. When integrated with microcontrollers and IoT systems, these sensors can send real-time alerts to mobile phones or cloud platforms. This allows engineers and safety teams to monitor gas levels remotely and take action quickly. Environmental monitoring applications. MQ sensors are also widely used in environmental monitoring systems. They help measure air pollution levels in smart cities and urban environments. They are used in HVAC systems to control ventilation based on air quality. In offices and homes, MQ sensors can detect harmful gases such as benzene or ammonia to maintain a healthy indoor environment. Other specialized applications include alcohol breath analyzers, hazard detection robots, agricultural monitoring systems for livestock environments. These applications demonstrate the versatility of MQ gas sensors. Conclusion. To summarize, MQ series gas sensors provide a simple, cost-effective, and reliable method for detecting various gases in the environment. They operate using a metal oxide semiconductor sensing mechanism, where gas interactions change the electrical resistance of the sensing material. Because of their high sensitivity, easy interfacing, and compatibility with microcontrollers, MQ sensors are widely used in IoT systems, safety monitoring, and environmental sensing applications. With advancements in technology, future gas sensors may become smaller, more energy efficient, and more intelligent using AI-based gas detection algorithms. Closing. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on IoT, sensors, and embedded systems. See you in the next lecture.